No, not like picking your hand. Stand up to fight. Put your hands down, man. Let's fight. Put your legs back. Leg back, man. Alright. I know, I can tell both of you want to be champions, so that's cool, but sir, look at her. Well, look at him. Right. Right. See? Gotta catch their faces. That's what you want to do. Mean faces. You gotta get right up on them. See the mean face? Okay. You're putting your hands out on them. Good. Ready? Fight! Watch the face. Bring your punches down. Straight punches. Bring your punches down, ma'am. Punch her, Jesus. Punch her. Grab her. Throw her on the ground. Put your forearm in your throat, sir. Spray. Well, you can't just lay there.